Today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the 8 ball pool on your phone. So as you can see, you get all the settings: unlimited coins, cash, guideline hack, auto win, dark mode, fresh lucky shot, anti-ban, and yeah, it's pretty extensive. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So let's get right into the video. It's super cool, guys, and this fully works. So let's go. I'm going to show you guys how to download this. It's really easy, and you can get all these settings unlocked completely for free. So let's go. So as you can see, I got all the settings here: unlimited coins, unlimited cash, guideline hack, auto win, dark mode, anti-ban, or fresh lucky shot. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this mod. So first things first, guys, we need to go over to this website called ZooMods. Go to the search bar and just type in 8 ball pool. And as you can see, it says 8 ball pool mod. So you just want to go ahead and press on that and wait for it to download. If you got like a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys. And it totally worked. So as you can see, I got season pass, all this stuff unlocked for free. So it is super awesome, guys. And if you like to play 8 ball pool, you're probably not interested in being poor. And with this mod, you can get... Oh no, bro. Oh no. You can get unlimited coins, unlimited cash, guideline hack, aimbot, all this stuff. So it's super awesome, guys. So be sure to go and try it out. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. And all you gotta do, guys, is go over to the ZooMods website. And then once you're there, guys, just go to the search bar and type in 8 ball pool. It should come right up. So yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. It's just super insane. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe because this is super awesome and it's actually updated and everything. So yeah, if you're poor in this game, guys, you are gonna love this mod because you will get rich. You'll be so rich, bro. As you can see, all the settings in here, it's so crazy. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. Look at that. Unlimited coins, cash, all this stuff. So yeah, try it out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. This is super cool. So yeah, get the word out, bro. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out.